G7X. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You see it? Ah! It's a damn nightmare.
Why didn't you film?
I couldn't. I was in shock.
If you didn't know, she hates spiders.
Yeah. There are too many legs. Nobody needs that many legs. What are they doing with them?
Here you go. I need the pack. Well, you can tell them what we're up to today, Christina. Don't always wait for me.
We're going to a water park.
And it's the biggest water park in Thailand. So they claim.
Jury's still out.
Oh, and one more thing. I would say, Grab. If you're in Thailand, Grab. How much was it? Like 84 baht just to come all the way here. It's insane. Grab wins.
Quick, reliable, cheap. Grab, sponsor us.
Sawadee for ticket. Checking back. All right, entrance. We are going in. First stop. Whoa, gift shop. Oh. You need anything?
Nope.
No? Okay.
What are we scanning?
I'm guessing it's our wristband. Yes? Wristband, right? No, scan on the monitor.
What?
Scan. Okay, come here.
Ah.
Yeah. There you go, caveman. The map, Christina, the map.
Surfing.
Surfing.
Rock climbing.
Ooh. So I think we just walk one round and then maybe we'll end up at the restaurant to have something to eat first, right? And then we'll lock our stuff, right? Okay, let's go. So far I like it. It's not so terribly.
I think I'm gonna like it here.
Yes.
Used to room in a tomb where I'd sit and freeze. Get me now, holy cow!
Well, they even have carts like selling waffles. Buffet is included. Oh yeah, we paid 1,500 baht because we wanted the package that would... Wow, you got the obstacle course now. See? We wanted the package that will include locker and towels and a buffet as well. So I think 1,500 is not too bad, seriously.
Oh wait, you need closed-toe shoes?
Ha!
Surely I don't have that.
Ha! Oh, look at
They're
this.
writing songs
The
of
obstacle
love,
course.
but not for me.
But she can't do
The
it
child
because
walks above, but not for me.
she needs shoes. We need sports shoes, and we are all with her.
How was I to know? How was I to know that I'd be okay?
How about rock climbing? Can she do rock climbing? Also shoes?
Whoa!
Guys, you tell me, who would wear sports shoe to a water park? How would we know? So, no rock climbing and no obstacle rope course for us. But maybe surf zone. You see? You come to the water park for a massage?
Yeah.
But yeah, they do have a massage. Intercontinental. Hua Hin, wow. Oh, this is a cabana. Nice sitting area. So we already had a glance of what the whole park is like. We're loving it, but it's time to go eat first because it's included. Buffet is included. Hey, this is your first buffet.
Is it?
Yes, you have never got any other buffet in all the other hotels. The Groove. Let me give you a run through the food they have here. Sawadee krap. For 2 person. It's not like we don't have enough. Collection, too many. I think it's a very standard buffet spread. You got your chicken, sausages, you got your spaghetti, penne, pasta, yep, spaghetti sauce. You got the mushroom cream sauce. It's like black pepper chicken. This is more Thai. A little fried cabbage. Yeah, deep fried Vietnamese sausages. Hainanese chicken rice. You got like some drinks, very standard. Some French fries over here. Vegetables, curry, Yeah. And then rice, of course. I think this place looks awesome, man. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. That is huge, right? Kids are gonna love this.
And adults.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's for adults as well.
Yeah.
Hey, well, time to get out our action cam, right? We are ready! We have action cam! So what do we do first?
VR.
Okay, let's do it! VR! I love it, no waiting time. Christina, what are you doing? Could you not pack up? This is not your home. She's packing up and taking everybody's slipper and putting it organized.
How? They have this whole shoe house. And you have to create a tripping hazard at the end.
Okay, let's go, let's go! Ah! Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh. Coconut Beach! Oh, where's the coconut? Oh yeah, there. Where's the beach? Oh man. Now? Let's go. Yo, you just jump like so. That's how you do it. Woo!
I've been on a body slide before. I've lost a lot of skin and got a lot of bruises. And lost a lot of bathing suits. Not for me.
Last one for the day. The kiddie playground. What do you think?
Go on the VR again.
But this has a lot of slides. Shall we go explore?
Yeah, you might be too big, but I'm child size.
You know, I'm small as well. I'm a kid at heart.
They don't measure that.
I was waiting for that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go!
I'm already cold. Just the mist of it was cold. Oh.
You're supposed to film yourself like that. Alright, let's go.
It's cold.
Let's go on the slide. Let's go on the slide.
Never let go, Jack. Never let go. Ah! I'm so cold.
On the slide. You go. You go. Go. Okay. Again, me first. This is a joke.
Are you sure? No, wait, hold on.
It's so slow.
Just like opt out. I subscribe. Hit my spine too much. Body slide.
Alright, here we go, Blue. Ah. Whoa! Whoa! Woohoo! Yeah! Alright, right, I think we are done with the water park.
Done.
Do we return this wristband? Where do we return this?
You can return here.
Oh, return here. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Some money left.
Yeah. Thank you. Just like that. Thank you. Khap kun ka. Any way I can go to Cicada market? Taxi?
Yeah.
Taxi, okay. Okay, thank you. Yes, you heard it. We are going to Cicada market. And this is a antique, handmade, arts and craft market. Which I think Christina would appreciate it. I think,
Like handmade things.
yeah, she likes handmade things, stuff.
Yeah, especially presents. Stop buying presents at the mall. Make the things, show you care. Learn a skill in the process.
So fierce. Okay, and as usual, Grab is easy, so we're just gonna book a Grab. And just like that, booked. Don't be so violent.
Hack.
Oh, thank you, I'm free. I think I use Grab here in Thailand more so than I do in Singapore. From here to Cicada market is like 100 baht. If I flag a tuk-tuk, they might charge me 200 or 300 and we got a bargain as well. So just do Grab. I mean, it's easy, seriously. Ride is here. After you, madam.
Chariot.
Sawadee krap. Yes. Thank you. And we are here, Cicada market.
Like an idiot.
Yo, do you leave anything behind? It's alright. Okay.
A brain cell or two when I hit my head.
Whoa, Cicada market. You know what?
It's cicada.
Cicada. Cicada.
There's literally a cicada right next to the word.
Okay, cicada.
Cicada.
I don't know what's a cicada.
It's like a locust.
A bug.
Yes. It's a bug. That is that bug.
Okay,
right
you know
there.
what? Since this place is so magical and it lights up, I will change to the 25mm and you will host. How's that sound?
At the cicada market, I think I can do it.
You are the solution. 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 Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me. Love it when we touch. Every time I'm
Christina Hydra reporting from Cicada Market. It is very clean. Everything is A-grade sanitation level. And as you can see, the crowds are coming in, but everything is still a little relaxed. So if you're interested in coming down to the market, now is the time. We do expect crowds to increase as the time goes on.
So, we're gonna get some food. What do you think we should get?
Everything.
Everything.
We're buying the place out.
Chicken kebab. Chicken. You got your food. Yes.
Plate one,
Plate one. One. There's more than one.
of course.
Ah man, this looks so good. It's so colorful. It looks so juicy.
It's vibrant,
It's so vibrant. Yes.
Gordon Ramsay would say.
Thank you very much. Enjoy, enjoy.
Chicken satay. Yes.
Plate two.
Plate two.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it looks like you got it all. Your hands are full.
Not yet.
Not yet. She does not want me to help her because she's saying that she's a waitress. She was a waitress back in the days.
Actor equals waitress. Didn't you know? We're waiting.
Okay.
That's what waitress does. Waits.
You know, there's a lot of tables around, yeah? We can put the food on the table, but no,
Yeah,
no,
but
no.
I'm not finished collecting the food in order to set it on a table.
Okay. But don't forget my baby back ribs on the other side as well.
I know. And my desserts. And
our
drinks.
smoothie, yes, the
Yeah.
watermelon, yeah. You gotta hold all of them.
I don't know about that. I might need... At 4 plates. 4 plates is my max. Especially, I need a longer arm.
If she drops all this food, we won't have dinner.
It's not a story unless something goes wrong.
Kapung kap. Are you serious?
Chow.
Oh my god. My baby back ribs.
Yeah.
Well, not baby back. That's not baby.
Adult back ribs.
I haven't had pork ribs for a long time. So I think I have to tear the coupons now, right? It's on the left.
I gotta tear some.
Oh, you...
Tickets.
Okay, here you go.
It's $2.35.
Yeah, $2.35. I don't know why she likes this challenge. Why?
I don't know. Can I pay? These are the questions that I ask.
Do you need any help?
You might have to pay.
Okay, I'll pay. All right, let's go. Getting my ribs.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Here you go.
Can you?
Even they don't know where to put it for you. Are you
I
serious?
think it's too close. Hold on. Twist it. Yeah.
Okay.
Nailed it. Yeah, it's good. Plate 4.
Okay, go and sit. I can't. Okay, congratulations. Well done.
Thank you so
Good
much.
job. Yeah.
Plate 4.
Okay, well done. Okay. Where do you want to sit?
We can sit over here. We'll get our drinks, and
Okay.
then the desserts are right here.
Okay, cool. Crazy woman. So.
Here?
Yes, perfect.
Okay.
All right.
Take the one off my arm.
So. Okay.
Ta-da!
Jesus.
How come I gotta share this and that's all you? That's my question. No, I'm getting dessert. I'm getting a
Well, you
massive
can
dessert.
have mine.
I'm getting a massive dessert.
It's the
Don't
problem
worry
is you
about
can't eat any of them.
it. Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're the picky one, not me.
yeah, I know. So, tickets.
Oh. Watermelon smoothie.
Watermelon.
What now?
Plate 5.
I think that if you're in Hua Hin and if you are around the area, you should come to the Cicada market because dinner here is awesome, right?
Yep.
Recommended. What do you think? You like this clean place?
I'm full. That never happens.
That never happens, yeah. Recommended. Cicada market.
Yeah.
If you're in Hua Hin, check it out. I mean, you can't say that you don't enjoy this chill vibes, you know? Dinner here and then night market around. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog and tomorrow we will be heading south some more. Travel day. Yes, we are going south.
Deep south.
The deep south. So please remember to subscribe. So please remember to subscribe.
Subscribe.
So please remember to subscribe. Why can't I talk?
Please remember to subscribe
Like
and share.
and leave your comments down below if you have any questions. We will see you in the next one. You guys keep smiling. See ya.
Yeah.
See ya.
Yeah.
See ya.
I'm not as small as you. I can't make that sound.
Yeah, right. What a beautiful place. It's truly magical. And I did not trip.
You did trip.
No, I was like, and I walk. So I didn't fall.
You tripped on that step.
No, I did not. There's another market called the Tamarind Market. Wow.
Market 2. Plate 2.
Yep. I mean, this place looks impressive. It's just a different vibe. Also clean, but different vibe, different style. Did you get anything?
No.
No? Didn't see anything you like?
No.
No.
Too picky.
Too picky.